Mm, Hi guys, today I'm making a video about showing these fidget spinners that I have here. So, so these three fidget spinners right here are are the ones are the traditional ones like well these ones are the most popular toys. I mean, these are the most popular toys ever from last year. No, guys, and then this year, I think they kept. I mean, they kept. They kept making a lot of these, and I think there's a lot of different kinds and different colors. There's so many of them that you cannot have them all either, just like the spinning tops. It's like the spinning tops, no, guys. I think that also made a lot of spinning tops have a lot of different things and a lot of different colors, so yeah. And I'm gonna and oh yeah, before and oh yeah, wait. The reason why I would have this spinning top in here is because I wanna make a comparison between a, um, a spinning top. It could be one of the ones with lights and music, but this one only has lights right now because the speaker cur- currently currently does not work right now though. But comparing one of these with the fidget spinner, see which one translates and which one doesn't. So yeah, and I'm gonna show and also um, gonna be talking about the quality. I mean, how good is the quality on the spinning tops with lights and music? How and how good is the quality on the fidget spinners? And, and how good is the quality on the on the Guatemala ones, like this one? Like have all three features compared, spinning features. So, um, I know, yeah. Um, before I'm gonna, before I talk about the how good is the quality on each of these kinds of spinning toys, I'm gonna show you how to unbox on how to take one of these fidget spinners out of the box. So this one, I think here here's how you do it. You open this piece of cardboard up and you move it. You pull it up like this. Then this one, you put this small piece of cardboard, but this one's already pulled out. So so you you gotta you have to do the same thing with this one, basically, and you, you take and you take the toy. Oops, I think the this plastic piece is covered. It was stuck, and then there you take it out and take the toy out, and there we have it, guys. Um, wow, this one is pretty silent, no, guys. And then when I unbox the other two fidget spinners, like this one is a green one, and it's a green one, and this one is a pink one. So to unbox them, it's pretty much the same way that as I've done with this one, no, guys. And I'm not gonna tell you when I'm unboxing these two. The green one And oops, I think I'm gonna keep watching, guys. But alright, guys, so and the one that's the only one that I have to unbox left is the pink fidget spinner. And and here we go, guys. I think here's my main colors of fidget spinners that I'm collecting. Though I'm pretty much collecting, like, I know, yeah, I'm not only showing I'm not only showing this. I'm gonna show this one. I'm gonna take it quick, but I'm not sure yet. It's pretty much the same. Do take it out the same way, basically. This one is differences between it. Well, and right now I'm gonna speak. Talk about the quality. How good is the quality on this one? Well, the these two, I think their qualities are about the same, though. This one is a Bluetooth one, like it has a switch right here, and you turn it on, and wow, that this thing is so bright. I think you guys can see the speaker. I think that's where the speaker is, and that's and the reason. And here is I think it was a micro USB port, which is for the battery. So let's begin with the quality. Um, this one This one's quality on these one spinning tops with lights and music is not very good at all, because I used to have a few of them before, like a lot of them ran out of batteries and broke right away. Oh my gosh! I think the fidget spinners thinking that these are the worst worst quality spinning kinds of spinning toys. Oh my gosh! Here's the one. Compared to this one kinda doesn't quality is kind of way better than than this one spinning top, but I still can break as well, just like the spinning top. And the quality on this Guatemala one is very great on it. Like doesn't even break at all. Wow. And I like this one the best because of that. And back with the fidget spinners. So here's the four. These three are the traditional ones, and this one is a Bluetooth one, as I told ya, guys. This one, I think you can use it with a tablet, even with the tablet or the phone. Like, it's wireless though. And I think I'm gonna compare this one with the black one and the pink one. This one I'm gonna show with this one to close the camera. So I think the green one is sort of noisier, but and then than the other ones, and I don't think the other two are that noisy at all. Like, listen to this. That's a lot quieter. And now with the no, oops. Now with the black one, the black fidget spinner. Listen, it's not noisy at all either. And And finally, I'm gonna compare a spinning top between a spinning top with a fidget spinner like this one. Spinning top like the one with lights and music, but this one speaker is sort of is so blown out. And then I'm gonna put the launcher and here's how you twist it. This one kinda has problems, so the quality is a lot worse on it. So let's see which one translates. Comparing the, which one of these two translates, or which one just spins. So here's this one. That one translates, and the fidget spinner. This one translates, as you can see, and it stops like that. But now one does not. The fidget spinners do not stop like that, like all these spinning tops do. Like watch. Like look at them. Now one sort of translates, but now one does stay. The fidget spinners usually spin in one same place. No, guys, yeah, they basically spin in at least in one place. But those ones do. But those ones do translate to any place. I mean, to anywhere. But those ones, yeah, I think that's a quit. Oh, and also, I know which one does stop first. One between these two, like the spinning top, like all these spinning tops do stop, like stop first, like stop. This stop first, and the fidget spinners, but these fidget spinners stop last. So yeah, guys, thinking that the one that already stopped is that spinning top. So now one keeps spinning, but I don't want to make this video very long. No, guys. And then before I'm gonna show, one, at least one more thing about comparing this fidget spinner, which is a Bluetooth one, which is a Bluetooth speaker one, and the traditional one, like this one. I'm gonna make them spin. See which one stops. Make them spin at the same time. So let's see which one does stop first. If the white one stops first, I'm gonna say the thank you guys for watching thing. Oh, I think now when almost it stopped. So think that I'm gonna put this up on the shelf or table. Yeah, most likely the table. And so yeah, guys, thank you all of you. I think that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe to Santiago Restrepo, turn on my post notifications, and comment. So thank you all of you guys for watching, and bye.